All right, welcome back to the video series on creating a GUI solver for our maze solver. I don't know why that gets harder to say every time. Today we've got a couple of guest lecturers. So to my right we've got
Hi.
Mr. CJ, and to our left we've got Mr. William. And so we're going to lay the groundwork here for getting the ability to choose which algorithm we're going to solve with. Okay. So we're still kind of this user select algorithm for solving. So to do this, we're going to use something called an enum. All right, so an enum is a Java type used to define collections of constants. So the idea here is we're going to have this collection of constants that's going to be the algorithm. So we're going to have three of them. We'll have depth first search, breadth first search, A star. Okay, those are going to be our constants. So how do we create an enum? Well, we define it. I'm going to go ahead and bring up our code here. And I'm inside of my class. I'm going to make a class. So make it public. Public enum. Sorry, not class. And this is going to be called algorithm. Okay. And it's going to consist, there we go, it's going to consist of, let's just give it three things. So it's going to be, and by, I guess, normal standard, when we put things into an enum, they are capitalized. So we're going to have breadth first search, depth first search, and A star. Okay. So now what we can do is inside of our class here, we're going to go ahead and say private. I'm going to call it algorithm, and we're going to make that current algorithm. And so then what we can do is in our constructor here, we're going to go ahead and set the default algorithm, so current algorithm, to be, let's just say breadth first search. Cur_alg equals algorithm dot BFS. Okay. Now our action performed here, we don't always want it to actually be BFS. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a condition in here. We're going to say if cur_alg is equal to algorithm dot BFS, then solve with BFS. Right? Else, if cur_alg is equal to algorithm dot DFS, then we'll call maze solver dot DFS. Pass in maze, or I guess M, right? 1, 0, false. And then I'm going to say else if cur_alg equals algorithm dot A star, then we'll use A star, maze solver dot A star, and we give it M 1, 0, false. Save. And now it should work the same way it did before. So I'm going to go ahead and compile. And so we're going to keep our fingers crossed that that works. Let's go ahead and find out. Maze GUI. Again, nothing should change. It should still work the same way. If I click solve, there we go. So it's still working. We didn't break anything. But now we have a way of referencing which algorithm we're going to use. And so before you watch the next video, which I'm not going to record the next video for a couple days, I want you to try on your own to add the appropriate action listeners in for these, the DFS, the BFS, and the A star, that's going to modify the value so that the appropriate algorithm is chosen. Okay, now, yeah. So that'll do it for this first video, or for this video. Like I say, I'll record another one showing how to do that. But for right now, I want you to try to figure that out. And then it would be great if you were to share your ideas or solutions in the Discord channel. That'd be amazing. And then I can take from it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.